Okay, I'm taking out the trash. Okay, I am. There's a lot. Because I forget to do it. So I do it like once a week, maybe. If that. Alright. I'm only going to take one trip because it's going to be like 2 or 3. Okay, here we go. Ew. Ew. That's heavy. That's heavy. That just broke. That's cat litter. It just spilled all over the floor. Fun. Okay. That's fun. I can take 3. Ooh, maybe not. Okay, here we go. It's like 4 miles to take out the trash, approximately. Let's go all the way. Brr. Oh. I don't wear a coat because I get hot. That makes me even madder. Okay. Here we are. People have already taken their trash out. What am I building at? And then we go back. Back. It's cold. Hate it. That's the basement. Never been down there. Oh, there's a door. There's some more basement. It's scary. I don't like it. I'm running away. Okay. This is my apartment. And this is even more fun when you have like groceries and heavy stuff to carry. Moving in here was a pleasure and a joy. That's about how far I can get. I'm glad I don't live on the 3rd floor. I would have died already. Alright.